first one is the installation. It's called Sunny Side Up and Other Sorrowful Stories. And then the second one, the video, is called Agnes. It took a long time to make this work because I do all my costumes and I do all the works. So this started with these gloves actually in 2019, where I wanted to create, to have a pair of gloves where I want to have something on my body that needs some care. And the background of it is I wanted to make it work kind of like as an homage to my mother. It's a lot of work as a mother to take care of the kids, and once the kids leave the Shire, there's like a very physical and very emotional attachment to like parents. While I was working on these gloves, I knew I wanted to make a video. So while I was working on this work, making the sculptures, I was also thinking about like how to make this video. And during this residency, the exhibition room was quite big, and it had kind of like this shape of like a film set. Kind of like what you see here, because it feels very stage-like. It has a window that's painted on. It has like a picket fence it's painted on. It has like this kind of like prop door. The costumes are here. It's kind of inhabited, you know, like, so these characters are still here in the form of costumes and the videos when I'm not here, when it's not acted out. So that's the other thing.